care.
Those turtles.
Hey.
Come on, so dark.
This is getting ready for the big flood. Noah had to put 2 of every kind of animal on the boat.
Look.
Looky there. What are those? I think those are kitty cats.
No.
No, what are they?
It's another bird.
Oh, they're birds. Are you sure? What is that?
Weeping.
I think that's an owl. What's an owl say? Is it an owl?
No.
No, what is it?
It's a kangaroo.
Oh, it's a kangaroo.
Look.
Looky there. What are those, Auntie?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Oh, what is it?
Bunnies.
Oh, they're little bunnies. What do bunnies do? They
There.
go hoppy, hoppy, hop.
Look at this one.
Look at that one. It looks like a spider, a tarantula. Turtle. It is. It's a turtle. Are you sure it's a turtle?
Yeah.
What's turtle say? Turtle, turtle. No. What does he say? He doesn't say anything? He says, "Arr." So
No.
what does he say?
Oh,
Why?
sneeze. Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. I got that.
Look.
What is that? Those look like squirrels.
No.
No, what are they?
Monkeys.
Monkeys.
Where's the monkeys go? How do they go?
Look,
the monkey
they're
says?
piggies.
Oh, they're piggy wiggies. Oh, my
Elsa.
God.
Look at this animal.
Oh, look at that animal. That's a
Elsa.
cow.
Elsa.